हेलो यू गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आई नो इट्स बिन forever. मैंने एक नया प्लानर लिया था एंड आई वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट यू गाइस स्टे अपडेटेड विद द मोस्ट अमेजिंग प्लानर दैट आई सॉ, एंड दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम द ट्रोव. ये सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे है एंड इट्स so affordable. It's only for 999 rupees. मैंने जिस दिन मंगवाया I got it within 3 to 4 days. So I hope when I put this video on, you can still order it. And if you haven't yet found the one that you like, I hope that you like this one. I am so looking forward to using it. I've already started making plans and everything. I know the year didn't go as planned, but I absolutely am looking forward to the new year. And without further ado, let's get the video started. So you guys, this is the planner. It has a very beautiful dream catcher, pink color ka hai. And when you open it, of course, it has your name. And the most amazing thing is कि ये spiral bound है. Then you flip the pages और वहाँ पे ऐसे लिखा रहता है कि क्या क्या you'll find in the planner, which is your vision board, which is like you're finding your ikigai, and all the different stickers that they have. It's just an overview of what all they have in the planner, and of course you can find out what your passion is, what your vision is for this year, and really nice inspirational quotes are there. Then you flip and then you see that there are 20 things that you want to do in this year, and then you have like the goals for this year. The good thing is कि इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा different categories में करा हुआ है, and then you also have like plan of action and the due date. Then are the lists of leveling up your life. आपका क्या comfort zone है, panic zone क्या है, discomfort list क्या है. मतलब it's just about knowing yourself and making sure that you put out there so that you know yourself a lot better to level up. Then there are affirmations for the new year. थोड़ी बहुत इसमें लिखी हुई हैं, and then of course there are some plain lines where you can write whatever affirmation suits you the best. Then you come up and these are like really nice tags on your right, and these are for all the different months. This is an undated one, तो इसमें जितने भी months हैं वो end में stickers हैं that I'll show you later, and you can just paste it over there. So this one is apparently for January. Really nice, really pretty. And then this is like an overview of the month, कौन सी date है, and then a monthly overview of what is your mantra for the month and what are you attracting, what is your income, and expense tracker. So all about your financial goals if you want to achieve something. Then is your to-do list for the month. What are your goals, things that you really want to try or learn this month, and of course like important dates, birthdays. Coming on to the next one is your habit tracker for that month. और इन्होंने there's also like a mood tracker, your period tracker, जो भी आप चाहते हो you can just write down there and track whatever you want. Then coming on to the next page is an overview of how your month looks like. Then life happens, so you can always get back to your morning routine and night routine. अगर लिखी हो तो it's a lot more easier to do. Then your weekly spreadsheets. हर डे का अलग अलग, हर वीक का अलग अलग है. And then at the end of 4 weeks there are some monthly reflections, what worked for you, what didn't work for you, and the content you really liked, and weekly reset जो भी आप करते हो by the end of every week. And उसमें भी जगह है कि आप क्या और नया करना चाहते हो. So this is like an overview of your entire month, and आप end में उसमें और भी चीज़ लिख सकते हो, like if you want to write down or journal something. And then these are like the monthly dividers, really beautiful quotes they've written, and of course like beautiful drawings. बहुत ही amazing, like I really liked it. As compared to my last year planner, I really wanted something which is inspirational in itself and boosts me to do a lot better things in life in this year. And then of course at the end there are some really lovely stickers, and because I told you, so you can use all of this in your vision board. Of course, you guys are gonna ask, "Isme to vision board hai nahi," and that's because I flipped the page, but I'll show you at the end. So you can use all of these, and then of course there are those monthly stickers I was telling you about. So you can also use those ones for your individual monthly plans. And then at the end, I forgot to show you the vision board. So here this is. And I hope that you make the most of your vision board this year and, have the most amazing time. I'll see you guys again in my next video. I hope that you like this one. And if you do, I'm going to make sure to link all the, info jahan se aap isko buy kar sakte ho. And have a very, very, very happy new year, you guys.